We just installed the Hamilton Motor Company Apple CarPlay conversion kit in this 2017 Lexus RX. You can see it is fully compatible with the original mouse, and it's also touchscreen. This beautiful 12-inch display is going to make a large difference in this vehicle. Whether you use Apple Music, SoundCloud, Pandora, the SiriusXM app, or any other music app, it will automatically appear in CarPlay, and you have access to all of your albums, radio stations, or any other music features. Coming back home, you can easily use the return button to return home on CarPlay. You can see any Maps app, whether you use Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, will show up automatically, and Siri will read you your directions.
Starting route. Proceed to Corporation Parkway, then take the first left.
It really makes this feel like a brand new vehicle. Coming back home here, you can see Siri makes text messages and phone calls a breeze.
In the group, Parker said, "Want to grab dinner tonight?" Reply to the group.
Yes.
What do you want to say to the group?
Let's do it, guys.
It says, "Let's do it, guys." Send it.
Send it.
Done.
Our screen is one of the few that will use your factory microphone, and so it makes text messages and phone calls super easy. You can also push the voice button and ask it to make a phone call. Call Buzzy.
Calling Buzzy Barrow home.
Yeah.
How does the audio sound? We're calling you from a Lexus RX.
It sounds beautiful.
All right, I'll give you a call later. Phone calls will sound terrific since we're using the factory microphone. Any app that has a CarPlay component will automatically show up on your home screen here, and you can access it. So whether you use apps for work or for pleasure, they'll show up here. Of course, your factory backup camera will still work. And going back to park, it will reappear right into CarPlay. If you have a 360-degree camera, that's also compatible with this vehicle. Long holding the menu button at any time for 3 seconds will take you back to your original Lexus screen where you can access all of your original features. This kit won't compromise any of your original features. All controls, steering wheel controls, and functions will continue to work just fine. If you have any questions about this kit or want to check out our other kits, visit our website, hamiltonmotorcompany.com. You can also reach our North Carolina-based tech support team at 919-858-2890.